Checking out these Niceful woven adhesive wound dressings. What's nice about these is they're 4 inches wide, but 10 inches long. So these are great for long, maybe abdominal, sometimes back, or even leg injuries or surgeries where you're going to have a long incision. These give you a long 4-inch strip in the middle with a breathable adhesive edge, and they're water resistant. They're not waterproof, but they are breathable wound dressings. You get 25 of them in a box, and the real advantage here is that you get in one bandage a full 10-inch by 4-inch coverage. Really nice for those back surgeries, leg surgeries, and even abdominal surgeries. They stick well, they adhere well, and they do the job of keeping the wounds clean and protected. Hope this helps.